Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a euro symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a euro symbol, euro currency symbol on your WPS spreadsheet on your PC. So like this. So you just need to click on the insert option on the top first. Then you just need to click on the symbol option. So in the symbol option, you just want to click on the more symbol option on the bottom section. You can find this, click this. Now you will see a two option called font and subset. So I just choose the font as this font and just click on the subset and just want to change to the subset to the currency symbol. If it is on the like this, you just want to scroll down and just find the currency symbol option on the list. So you can see there is a lot of options here. So you just want to preferably want to find the currency symbol option. So after clicking this, you can find the euro symbol here. You can just click on the insert option and you can just insert it how many times you just need it, and you can just now copy or cut the symbol and you can place wherever you just need it. So this is how you just insert your symbol on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.